What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, another Welding Wednesday. Honestly, I don't even know if it's a Welding Wednesday, but it's a video. I might be dropping this before Wednesday, after Wednesday, I don't really know, but currently it is the holidays and we are here working on my welding skid. I thought about building a welding bed over the break, but since I've only built one in my life, I didn't really want to find out if I knew how to do it or not. So we're messing with the skid. We're doing the step up that I talked about in the previous video, which is gonna go up over the 2 oxygen bottles, and it's gonna be a whole new elevation. So my cooler is gonna be right here, easily accessible, where I can just come over, open it up, and then my rod ammo can is gonna be right here where I can open it as well. So the whole purpose of us building that is so I don't have to get up on my bed for no reason other than to pull out my jack stands, which the jack stands are gonna go right there. I'm leaving room for another 2 because I want to carry 6, like I said in the previous video. But this is how tall it's gonna be, and we're gonna cover everything up all the way up to the Hoosier pole, maybe a little bit before the Hoosier pole, just to where the neck and the gauge of the 2 bottles are showing. And then on this box, since it's not aluminum, since it's metal, I'm gonna weld 2 tabs, 2 angle iron little tabs, one facing that way and then another one facing this way. So it's gonna be like 2 claws, kind of like that, and then one on the other side, so I can drop in my mud board, which I'm gonna be building as well. The mud board is gonna drop in right there, and it's just gonna fall right into place, because I would put it between my cab and my machine, but I already have a whole bunch of stuff in here. My toolbox and my step ladder. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Next is gonna be a full rig tour, but I got my dad helping me and my younger brother, and yeah, I'm gonna hand off the camera to Sebastian. You ready? Here. Now you can hold it.
¿Ese es el roñoso, hijo?
Sí. No.
Toma pues. El roñoso, ponlo allá mero atrás. No, ya deja ese.
Ese.
Ya medimos.
Sí.
Ok.
It's a really good machine. I didn't really clean any of the metal, and it welded right through it. Alright.
Allá va la hoja. Ahí, ok, déjame ver qué tanto tenemos. Aquí déjalo 9:30. Ahí está. Ojo, échale. Ya. Ponte acá primero.
Vamos con los ojos.
Dale.
Ahí.
Why not?
I don't know if I'm gonna hold a second. Either my umbrella is gonna go there, or another tank. I don't think it's gonna be another tank though. Yeah, it's gonna be another tank.
It makes sense.
Right, 2 tanks.
De 48.
Esto lo voy a ocupar yo para el rod.
De 48, ¿por qué? ¿La quieres que venga para acá?
16. 6 y medio.
17.
17. Ya.
17 por 48.
Ya. Está 13. Okay, so my cooler is gonna be right here, and my rod box, that one, show them, that one back behind you, that ammo can, that is gonna be right here. But regardless if there's nothing there or not, that's still too flimsy. So my dad's about to cut me one up for another little subframe. I'll go ahead and weld that up under it, and then it'll be sturdy enough to have my rod can here, my cooler here, and here right here up on the front, I'm gonna have a Tidwheel or badass reel. Eventually, because they're expensive. I think they're like 800, 900 bucks with the hose. So, but I'll go ahead and leave it ready. That's ready. Now I'm gonna tack it. Alright, so I just tacked that other one down there for the rod can, and it's way sturdier. There you go. Now I can lock it. Boy! Yeah! See a mustache? You big old nostrils. Here.
Almost so.
Alright, okay. That is tacked. Now I just need to tack the back. Alright, that's welded on. Now the next step. Probably the frame for the cooler, and get my ammo can up here and set it in place. So we'll see you guys up at that next point. Do you know why we welded that on there?
So it can hold the pipe in there and it wouldn't move.
The tank.
Yeah.
¿Qué pasó, hijo?
Ahora lo voy a poner acá. That's it. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Before I close it out and end it, I'm going to show you guys the setup real quick. But before I even do that, I want to give Lee Welding on Instagram. This is where I met him, through social media, Instagram. And I think this tool right here is probably one of the most underrated tools that I didn't know I needed. I had one before, but I gave it to my older brother Hector, and he's using it out in West Texas and New Mexico. But I like these so much, I got my dad one for Christmas. This is his right here, and this is mine. I highly suggest, if you're a welder, a fabricator, and you don't know where to put your grinders all the time, go check them out on Instagram. Really neat, really compact little tool. You put one grinder here. What I do is I put one buffer here, and then one with the grinding wheel or whatever, and then come here, get close, so you can see. And then right here I drop the hammer in. These magnets are super strong, so you can put your wedges, spacing tool, and right here for us pipeliners, we put our remotes, or at least I put my SA200 remote right here on this little hook. But all right, now let's move on to the skid. Oh, big shout out to my little brother who's behind the camera, and another huge shout out to my dad who helped me knock this out. But it's done. I know it's dark already, but I'm probably gonna show you guys the finished product. Like I said, a lot of y'all have been waiting for the rig tour, an official rig tour, and this is what I was waiting for. One last piece to the puzzle is the hose reel, which is gonna go right here, and a smaller cooler. This cooler, it's, first of all, it doesn't hold ice at all, and second of all, it's too big. I won't have room for my hose reel. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's not too long, but I know y'all want to see a rig tour video. That'll probably be the next video, and another video is going to be making a mudboard, which we left the cutout right there, so just drop it in. But quick, let me show you guys. Let me go put them inside, and then I'll show y'all what we did. Close out the video. Palo, vete. But yeah, like I said, guys, go check him out, because those right here, I think it's one of the most, aside from your daily tools that you actually use a lot, this is super handy. But go check him out, please. And now let me pull this off so you guys can see exactly what's done. So now I left enough room for another bottle. We just don't have enough, that big C channel for the second oxygen bottle. So I'm gonna have to get some either at work or buy some. But I left the room there. That's what that space is for. This is nice and sturdy. If you watched the first video, I don't know what we're doing, but I said that's what I wanted to do. So here it is. This bottle, I had it, there was no set screw, no nothing, and it was just kind of rolling around. Now, like, it's not going anywhere. I countersunk, my dad did the hole, and we countersunk a nut in there. There's a reinforced plate, what is it, like 3/16 plate under it on the subframe, so it's not just this flimsy 1/8 steel. And then with this nut, I am gonna either get a shorter bolt, or either cut that one and chop it down, because it's poking out way too long, which I don't know. I might just leave it like that. This cooler, like I said, is gonna be coming out because one, it's too big, and two, it doesn't hold ice. I've had this for a long time. But my whole purpose of that step up was to not have to jump up there at all. Not have to jump up there. Here, I can get next to my bed, open it, grab a drink, grab a Gatorade, grab a beer, whatever it may be. The only thing that I do have to jump up there for right now is to get my jacks, which I'm missing jacks, because on the front of the house we have pipe set up, 8-inch pipe. My dad's trying to learn how to weld pipe, so that'll be another video. But let me show y'all. So, super reinforced. It's not going anywhere. I can stand on it, jump on it. It's not going anywhere. It's got the subframe, which is one cross member up there, one here in the middle. You can see the tacks right there, and then one here. And my rod box is right here. 4 jacks. I did leave that cut out because I have more jacks on the way, so I'm pretty positive I can fit another 4 at very minimum. I know I can fit 2 in here, so I'll have a total of 6 jacks. And my cooler, this was drunk, I'm probably not even gonna put it in here anymore. The hose reel is gonna be right there facing that way, so all I gotta do is pull the brake off and then string it out. But here is the ammo can. It's not gonna move backwards, it's not gonna move side to side. It's got one here, one on the back, and then one on this far side. You can't really see it, but yeah. This step up idea, I got it from a buddy of mine, Roberto, he gave me this idea, and here it is. I brought it to life. His is pretty much the same. I think it's identical actually, minus the jacks idea. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video. The next video is probably gonna be either a full rig tour inside of the truck. It's coming along nice. As y'all can see, I've got different wheels on it. I got a headliner with speakers on it. The skid is pretty much 90. No, I take that back. I'm never gonna be done with this thing. It's probably like an 80% done, completed. But that's another video, the rig tour, and then another video is gonna be showing my dad how to weld some pipe, because he wants to learn. So I hope you enjoyed. If you want any of these stickers on here, or on my cooler, let me see, on the cooler, message me on Instagram for any stickers. I also got some merch coming out, but definitely check me out on Instagram, because I post like my daily stuff on there. So I think it's where I'm most active, and I'm trying to get kind of more active on TikTok as well. But yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, a comment, what you thought about it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.